plan, which are not, the venues are not like this. Usually, we go to the different schools because we believe that music is for everyone. So we go to different schools and perform. Okay, so please review all your, and then we have Group B, UP Rondalia. Then we have the violet one. Sometimes we eat in a restaurant, sometimes we have to go to one